Welcome back. This is Bhavani Kola. In today's session, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can take a plain LinkedIn page and turn it into a professional digital portfolio, something like this, just with one click of a button using GenSpark AI. First, let's talk about why a digital portfolio matters. In today's world, your online presence is your first impression. Employers, collaborators, and clients will Google you before they even meet you. A polished portfolio highlights your skills, showcases your work, and builds that trust all in one shareable link. But creating one from scratch, it can take you days, weeks, especially if you're tweaking with that one code that never sets right. So what is GenSpark AI? Think of it as a next generation search engine that doesn't hand you a list of links, but delivers a ready-made, ad-free answer pages crafted by AI. Here's how it works. Instead of clicking through multiple sites to piece together the best format, you get a single concise Spark page that builds your professional story, projects, contact information, expertise. But behind the scenes, different AI agents each play a role. They gather your LinkedIn data, verify facts, check for biases, and stitch everything into one coherent, beautiful formatted page. Once your Spark page is live, you can ask for clarifying questions, tweak the interface, and just act like a chatting with your personal research assistant. So let's go ahead and see the magic. So here I am on GenSpark AI. I will leave a link in the description box below. This is absolutely free to use, but there is a paid subscription if you want to go one tier up. I do have enough credits, so I don't think I will need more credits than what I use. The good part is they give you credits every single day. So there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my LinkedIn link. And I say use the link and create a stunning online digital portfolio showcasing my AI and speaking skills. Because I want this particular digital portfolio to showcase my speaking skills, that's what I mentioned. But if you have multiple skills and you're applying for a job that requires a certain set of your skill set, you might want to go ahead and mention that. And once I do that, I'm simply going to go ahead and click enter and let GenSpark AI do the magic. And as you can see, it's looking for, I'm going to click view. You can see a parallel window. It is looking for all the information from LinkedIn. It's curating all of that. It's looking for any link that says my name. So under the hood, GenSpark uses a combination of large language models, GPT-4 and beyond, for natural language understanding and the content generation. Microservices like Node.js and Python to fetch and normalize your LinkedIn data via API integration or serverless functions that coordinate all these AI agents. And it also uses React-based front-end style with CSS that renders your portfolio into a beautiful, responsive, accessible layout. This is still searching. I'm going to pause here for a second. I'm going to let it search and finish its job. And once it's done, I'm going to come back and we'll take a look on what we have. And here it's also giving me a detailed thinking process, and now it's coding. And again, it's using Node.js, it's using React, it's using all the CSS. I love the way it uses the CSS files. It's very accessible, ADA friendly. I never had a complaint with it coming up with this bright colors that are, very hard for me to see, because I want to make sure everything that I do and present online is ADA compliant. And it's still working. I'm going to pause and come back when it's done. Well, it looks like it's done. Let's take a look here. I'm really curious to see what it has come up with. Then I can see that it also has my face. So I'm really curious, but let's take a look here. Your digital portfolio features responsive design, professional presentation. Key sections include professional summary, expertise area, experience timeline, education and certification, speaking engagements, AI projects, awards and recognitions, contact information. And it's also giving me the visual elements, PDF export option. And here is my digital portfolio. I mean, how cool is that? You know what? Let's go ahead and expand this in a new window. And I like it already. It also has my LinkedIn link, my YouTube, a little bit about me, current positions in AI expertise and leadership. I mean, why would I send a plain PDF document as my resume when I can send a simple link and have this outstanding effect on employers? And here you go. I mean, AI education, technical certifications, and training impacts, speaking engagements. I am surprised and I'm stunned and I'm thankful for all of this. It also is giving the places where I spoke. Of course, it's pulling information from my LinkedIn. Again, so it's a clue here that you always have to keep your LinkedIn up to date if you want to use that to create your digital portfolio. My YouTube content and creation. It is giving me a whole list of popular content series here. Oh my God, I love it. Education and career timeline. It's giving me my professional experience, education, and look at the way it's coming up with that professional layout. I don't think I could have done a better job than this one. Awards and certifications. It is pulling up all my awards: Microsoft Innovator, NVIDIA Certified Instructor, Chancellor's Exemplary Teaching Award, and Let's Connect. And it's giving me all the different links. It's giving me Eclectic Solutions as well. And there you go. I mean, this is amazing. I honestly cannot do a good job. I can sit and think all about it, but I cannot come up or conceive a layout like this. So this is outstanding. And I love it. I really, really love it. And let's just say you did not like what you have, which I really do. I'm not going to mess with it. You can always go ahead and type in here. As you can see, this is a chat interface. You can type in and have a conversation with GenSpark AI and tweak your output depending on what has come out. So if you've been putting off building your portfolio because you don't code, give GenSpark a try. One click, zero headaches, and you walk away with such beautiful professional showcase that opens doors for multiple positions. I mean, I am speechless. I am speechless with the capability of what GenSpark can do. And all I had to do was just give it one prompt. And here is all the thinking process, my HTML code, and a beautiful, beautiful digital portfolio. I hope you enjoy the session. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, and like always, happy teaching. And please take care of yourself. Go ahead and get your digital portfolio now because this is free. Until next time, take care.